Hello everybody, it's 11:02 and 10 seconds right now. This is the drawing for Spider-Man 194, First Black Cat. Over here on the left-hand side are the 12 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. Number's a big number, it's 16. So let's randomize 16 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. I will try my best to get it out today. Thursday. If not, it will go out on Friday the 20th. Okay? And away we go. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and here is the final one. 16, spot 5, Danny Carrion. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Alright, time is 11:03 and about to turn 15 seconds.